You may have heard about WordPress, but what is it? WordPress is an affordable and secure open source platform which has been around for years. Starting as an easy solution for bloggers, it has grown into one of the most robust and widely used platforms in the world. There are no licensing fees, and it is regularly updated so that your site works across all devices. These updates also ensures that your website is protected against any cyber attacks. With Xugar, you won't be restricted to any pre-designed themes. A trusted design and development team will customize your website, not just for your business, but additionally for your audience. This makes sure that your website produces the maximum return on investment possible. There are also millions of plugins and integration opportunities to scale your website. This means that you can transform a simple 5-page site into a live e-commerce platform, including payment gateways, shipping rates, stock counting, and much, much more. Unlike other content management systems, WordPress websites are much easier to maintain, and we want to make sure that your site is actually yours. Once your site's developed, we conduct an in-depth training session and provide a custom training manual. If you want to update your website, we'll show you how. You can also optimize your site with an SEO campaign to convert more users and sustainably grow your business. If you want to develop a WordPress website, just give us a call and chat with one of our digital experts on 1300 565610. That's 1300 565610.